Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And yes, believe it or not, it's all about the Getac S510. And I really love this laptop, just so you know. I've been playing with it for a while. It's fantastic. It's got a nice feel. I really like this big screen. But let me tell you about a couple of issues that I've come up with, that I've been playing with it, and it worries me a little bit after this thing's been in the field for a while, that you need to be made aware of. And the first thing is the material that this laptop is made out of. I don't know if you can see this or not, but if you take a look, I can just flex the plastic on the top of this screen cover right here. So this is not something that you're going to want to stack stuff on. There's no rigidity, I guess you would call it. It's not rigid enough in my opinion, unlike something like maybe the Durabook S510. That top cover has a lot better solid stiffness to it. So that to me is a problem. The other issue that I can see long term after use is this handle right here. Take a look at this handle. If it's a flex handle, and it's very cool, it molds to your hand, but it looks like the connector that's in there is plastic. Now, I'm not saying there's going to be anything wrong with it, but that's just maybe a point after a lot of use that could be a weakness. We don't know yet, but we will find out, being how new this unit is. The other issue that I saw after playing with this for a while is the actual port covers. So if we take a look, I'm going to use this one as an example. This is the USB port cover, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but the hinges are just plastic pieces that are screwed to the base, and then it flexes back and forth. I can see how after a lot of opening and closing, you're going to weaken that plastic hinge, and it will break off. I've seen it before in other models that use that kind of hinged for their plastic covers. Also on this plastic cover, let me open that again for you, is there's no rubber, nothing. This is just a straight plastic piece, so there's no way for water to actually stay out of the laptop. If you look at other semi-rugged units, they have a rubber gasket that keeps the bulk of the water out. And now it is a semi-rugged laptop, so it's not fully rugged, but still, I think they could have done a better job on the port covers. Well, those are the kind of issues that I came up that I think will create problems in the long term, but overall, I still really like this laptop, and I'm sure you guys will too. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week.